Project templates are a great way to streamline your project setup and save time. You can tailor any type of template to meet your specific needs, and it's great for when you just need a little inspiration. So let's dive into the 6 types of project templates available. True intent, search engine findability, cart abandonment, concept testing, first click, and competitive benchmarking. True intent studies help you to read minds. Okay, not really, but you can understand the motives of your website visitors better. By intercepting random users and tracking their behavior, you can measure whether users successfully achieve their goals on your website. In essence, a true intent study is aimed at measuring what users truly do compared to what you think they do. This template includes 1 task and 7 questions. We recommend aiming for a total of 100 or more participants who are visitors to your website. Next, we have the search engine findability template. Testing the usability of your existing website is a given, but you can't overlook how people find, or perhaps more importantly, fail to find, your site on the web. Studying how people use search engines and which keywords they use to locate websites like yours is what search engine findability is all about. This template includes 1 task and 4 questions. Here, we recommend inviting 100 or more participants who are in the market for your product or service. An issue all online stores have in common is shopping cart abandonment. Optimizing your checkout experience and shopping cart is essential for your online store to combat shopping cart abandonment and drive more successful conversions while providing a seamless checkout process for your customers. This template includes 4 tasks and 9 questions. We recommend at least 50 participants, ideally your customers or those in the market for your product or service. Now let's discuss concept testing. When you have a new idea or product that you want to get right, it can save you a lot of time and money to concept test it before you bring it into the world. Whether you're vetting new product ideas or you're already deep into development, concept testing is crucial. With concept testing, you can test your ideas with different potential customers and collect valuable insights to validate that there's a product market fit. This template includes 1 task and 14 questions. For this type of testing, we recommend 50 or more participants who are in the market for your product or service. Next, first click testing. The aim of first click testing is to verify that the first click a user makes on an interface to carry out a given task is clear and easy. Web analytics packages can tell you where users clicked, but not what they were trying to achieve. Click testing allows you to ask users to carry out a specific task, letting you isolate and investigate user behavior around each different scenario separately. This template has 1 task and 1 question. Here, we recommend aiming for 50 or more participants, and this template is suitable for any type of participant. Finally, we have competitive benchmarking. This template helps you to analyze your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to devise better UX strategies. This template will help you better understand your competitive differentiators, as well as identify areas of opportunity. With competitive benchmarking, you can test experiences other than your own, save time, money, and resources on unnecessary development, and compete with a new product or feature that your competitor has launched. This template has 2 tasks and 12 questions. We recommend around 100 or more participants for this one. There you have it, 6 powerful project templates in Loop11 to enhance your user testing and research efforts. Whether you're exploring true intent, optimizing findability, tackling cart abandonment, testing concepts, ensuring usability, or benchmarking against competitors, these templates are designed to make your life easier. Happy testing!